Today we're making sloppy Joe tater tot casserole. It's really quick and won't take but just a few minutes to prep and get in the oven. You need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Brown your ground beef, cook it loosely, drain your grease please, and 1 can of sloppy Joe sauce. You need to add that. It's a 15-ounce can. You need about a cup of shredded cheese to go on the inside. And a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. And I'm a 13 baking dish spray. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy. We'll put the rest of the cheese on top. Bag of tater tots. This is about a 32-ounce bag, but so you'll get the 2-pound bag. Bake this for 45 minutes or until the tater tots are brown. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. It just looks like a pan of tater tots, but there's some sloppy Joe goodness underneath it. Really quick and easy. It took me just a few minutes to throw together and 45 minutes in the oven, and here we are. Today we are going to make easy cracked chicken casserole. So you need to use some cooked chicken breast or any kind of chicken as long as it's boneless. Chopped up, pulled, shredded, whatever, in a big mixing bowl. We're going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. With that, we're going to add about a cup and a half of sour cream, a couple of tablespoons of dry ranch dressing mix. 1 packet of ranch probably be good enough if you're buying store-bought. That was homemade. We'll put some bacon crumbles in here. It calls for 16 ounces of cooked bacon crumbled. I'm not going to put that much in there. I'm just going to put a real healthy 3/4 to a cup of bacon pieces. We use these a lot instead of cooking the bacon. Okay, you need to get the real bacon pieces, and then you're going to need 2 cups of shredded cheddar. Brand new street. I have a baking dish already greased and ready. So I'll go ahead and put this in there. They are in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest. You can top it with buttered Ritz crackers if you want, or you can do breadcrumbs. I'm gonna just do breadcrumbs. Need about a cup's worth of breadcrumbs and about 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just stirring it up. But like I said, panko's better, but store didn't have them, so I had to get the next best thing. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. Put it in a 350-degree oven for about 40-45 minutes until they're golden brown on top. Just make sure you don't burn them. And I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. It did well. We're probably going to serve it with, I don't know, maybe some rice or some mashed potatoes and some green beans. Also, I think next time I'm going to use the Ritz crackers with the butter instead of the breadcrumbs. I think I would like the texture of that a lot more. So that's it, and it does, if it looks a little bit odd, it's because I let it rest just a little bit, but it's going to be fine. And I actually left it in the fridge overnight before I baked it, and it turned out fine. So that's also a plus. And it was on budget. So I'll see y'all next time.